I just want to give a quick update as to where we're at with Covid-19 here in Conwy. You may have seen in recent news articles that the virus is coming down steadily in this area over the last few weeks. And over the last week in particular, we've seen the number of cases being below the 50 mark. That's 50 cases per 100,000 people over a 7-day period. And that's been at the same sort of level now for the last week or so, which is really good to see. In fact, one day this week, we actually saw 0 cases, which is the first time that's happened since August. So clearly, we're seeing a reduction in the level of the virus in Conwy, and that's down to all the hard work that everybody's putting in to live within the restrictions that are imposed on us at the moment and keep this virus level to as low a level as possible. So I want to say a big thank you to everybody for all that you're doing to live within the measures at the moment. Also want to say a thank you to all those businesses who are putting in measures which allow us to still shop and to still make use of those services whilst keeping us safe at this time. And of course, a big thank you to all our public servants who are working in the health service and working through organisations or authorities like ourselves as the council for all that you're doing to keep us safe at this time while still providing us with the services that we need. So some really good news. It's good to see the level of the virus coming down steadily in Conwy. But of course, this isn't a time for us to become complacent, and we all must continue to do what we can to keep this virus to as low a level as possible. So I'm looking forward to hearing more about the vaccine that we're hearing about. And of course, as a local authority, we're working closely with colleagues in the health service, in public health as well, to see where we can support when the vaccine becomes available, to see that rolled out in the best way possible in our area. So hope to be able to update you more on that as we hear more of that in the future. But again, just want to say a big thank you to all the efforts being made at this time.